You wake up, check your phone. Bills, rent, groceries. Another day of trading hours for dollars. What if I told you there's a way out? Not a lottery ticket, not crypto gambling. Something boring. Something real. Let me ask you something. How much money did you make while you slept last night? If the answer is 0, you're not alone. 90% of people never build anything that pays them without their presence. Not because they're lazy, because no one showed them the right direction. I'm going to show you. No fluff, no buy my course, just a compass. Here's the truth most gurus hide. Passive income is not easy. It's simple, but not easy. The first 3 months, you'll feel like nothing is happening. You'll want to quit. That's exactly when you keep going. Because the ones who quit at month 3 never see month 12. And month 12 is where the magic lives. Let me give you an example. 2 friends, same job, same pay. One starts investing $20 a week into an index fund. The other buys coffee and snacks. After 1 year, the difference is small, maybe $400. After 5 years, it's thousands. After 20 years, the first friend retires. The second friend is still working. That's not luck. That's the compass. So, here's what we're going to do today. I'm going to break down exactly how to build passive income from 0. No rich parents, no inheritance. Just time and smart moves.
First, you need to understand the only thing that matters. Not stocks, not crypto, not real estate. The only thing that matters is your savings rate. You can't invest what you don't have. So step 1 is brutal but true. Spend less than you earn. That's it. No magic, no secret. If you're spending everything, stop. Cut one thing, just one. That extra money becomes your first seed. Second, you need a skill that pays online. Writing, voiceovers, video editing, even just organizing spreadsheets. Take that skill to Fiverr or Upwork. Work 10 hours a week. Save everything. In 3 months, you'll have $1,000, maybe more. Now you have a seed. Now you build. Take $700 and create something digital. An ebook, a template, a mini course, something you make once and sell forever. Put it on Gumroad or Etsy. Promote it on Pinterest or YouTube. The first sale might take weeks. That's normal. Don't stop. The remaining $300, invest it. Open a Vanguard account, buy VOO or VTI. That's the S&P 500. It's owned by thousands of companies. If it goes to 0, the world has bigger problems. Just buy and hold. Add more every month.
This is not exciting, and that's exactly why it works. Most people chase dopamine. They buy the next hot coin, the next meme stock. They lose everything. You'll be boring. You'll be consistent. And you'll win. Let's talk about the biggest mistake beginners make. They think passive means hands-off. It does not. Passive means low touch. You still need to check. Once a month, update, improve. The people who ignore their investments for 5 years and then complain they didn't grow, they didn't understand the game. You need a system. Here's mine. Every first Saturday, I review my accounts. 30 minutes. I check if my index fund is still the best. I check if my digital product needs a new cover. I check if my side hustle is still worth it. That's it. Small actions repeated over time create wealth, not giant leaps. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds like work. Yes, the first 6 months are work. Then the work fades. The money grows. That's the trade. Imagine 2 years from now. Your digital product sells while you sleep. Your index fund pays dividends every quarter. Your side clients refer you without asking. You wake up and your bank account grew by itself. That's not a dream. That's a plan.
And it starts today. Not tomorrow, not next week. Today. Open your phone. Set a timer for 10 minutes. In those 10 minutes, open a brokerage account. Just open it. You don't need to fund it yet. Just create the account. That one action changes your identity. You're no longer someone who talks about passive income. You're someone who builds it. Keep watching, because I'm about to show you the specific platforms for US and Europe, which accounts to open first, and exactly how to avoid the 3 traps that kill 90% of investors. But before that, remember this. The compass only works if you move. Standing still, watching videos, waiting for the perfect moment, that's the real risk. So here's your first step. Right now, comment one word, start. That's it, one word. It holds you accountable. And then take those 10 minutes. Open the account. I'll wait. No, really, pause this video. Do it now. Then come back. Welcome back. You just changed your life. Now, let me show you exactly which buttons to click next. Fantastic.
Let's start with the 3-bucket system. This is how you protect your money and make it grow. Bucket 1, low risk, 40%. High-yield savings accounts, treasury bills, or index funds like the S&P 500. This is your safety net. It grows slowly, but almost never loses value. Bucket 2, medium risk, 35%. Dividend stocks or REITs, real estate investment trusts. These pay you every quarter without you doing anything. Not huge returns, but consistent. Bucket 3, higher risk, 15%. This is where you put money you're willing to experiment with. Crypto, individual growth stocks, or starting a small side project. If this goes to 0, your life doesn't change. The remaining 10%? Keep in cash for opportunities. A crashed market, a cheap domain name, or funding a new idea. Most beginners put everything in bucket 3 and get wiped out. Smart investors build from the bottom up. Now, the big myth. Passive does not mean set and forget.
If you buy a rental property, you still have to handle maintenance or hire someone. If you own dividend stocks, you still need to check the company health every quarter. If you create a digital product, you still need to update it and market it. True passive income is actually low touch, not no touch. For example, a YouTube channel that makes money from ads, you still need to upload once a week. That's active work. But compared to a 9-to-5 job, it's incredibly passive relative to the effort. So don't fall into the trap of thinking you'll do nothing. Instead, aim for systems where you work 2 to 5 hours a week, but earn 30 to 40 hours worth of income. That's the real goal. That's the passive compass direction.
Let me give you specific action steps for US and Europe viewers. For US residents, open a Roth IRA or 401k first. These are tax-advantaged accounts. Use Vanguard, Fidelity, or Robinhood to buy index funds like VOO or VTI. Start with as little as $50 per month. For Europe residents, look into Trading 212 or Interactive Brokers. Consider Irish-domiciled ETFs like VWRA for tax efficiency. Use Revolut or DEGIRO for smaller portfolios. For everyone globally, if you can't access US brokerages, open a Payoneer account, then connect to Interactive Brokers or eToro. The key is not which platform you use. The key is to start. Even $20 a month, consistently invested in a broad market index fund, will grow into 6 figures over 20 years, thanks to compound interest. Don't believe me? Google compound interest calculator and test it yourself. Before you pour time or money into any passive income idea, run it through what I call the compass test. Ask yourself 3 questions. Question 1. Does this require me to constantly find new customers? If yes, it's not passive. It's just self-employment. Question 2. Can this system run for 30 days without my intervention? If no, it's a hobby, not an asset. Question 3.
Is the return potential at least 3 times the time investment in the first year? If no, find something else. I've seen people waste years on dropshipping stores that made $200 a month. That's not passive, that's a headache. Use the compass test before every decision. It will save you thousands of hours.
So here's where most people stop. They watch the video, feel motivated, and then do nothing. Don't be most people. Here's your single next step. Just one thing. Write it down. Tomorrow morning, open a savings account or a brokerage account. Put in $10. Just $10. That's it. That one action changes you from a someday person to a day one person. Then next week, learn one thing. An index fund, a dividend stock, a Notion template you can sell. Just one thing. Small steps, consistent direction. That's the Passive Compass way. Thank you for watching until the end. If this video pointed you in the right direction, hit that like button. It helps the compass reach more people. Subscribe to Passive Compass for weekly videos on building real, boring, sustainable passive income. And comment below, what's one small step you're taking this week? I read every comment. Until next time, keep your compass steady and your direction true. I'll see you in the next one.